Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to set the clock on your Sharp carousel microwave oven. To do that, it's actually pretty straightforward. The Sharp oven has a clock button. So right now it's currently 6 o'clock and I'm going to set it to 7 o'clock. So the clock button is the second row middle button. So go to the second row, second column. It's going to say clock. Go ahead and press that. It's going to go into the clock settings. The first button we need to hit is either a 1 or a 0. It is going to be 7 o'clock, so I need to hit 0 first. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit 7, 0, 0. And then it's going to go back to that first button again. And so to save this, all I need to do is hit the clock button one more time. And now I have set my time to 7 o'clock. And that is how you set the time and clock on your Sharp carousel oven, microwave oven. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.